Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to make a custom PDF viewer inside your browser using JavaScript. You can see this is the end product that we will be building in this application. So this is a very simple custom PDF viewer. If you launch the application for the very first time, it will also show you this custom error as well. So it also supports validation as well. So if it cannot find the PDF file, it will show this error inside dialog box. Could not validate the source of the file, show the file anyway. So if you click OK, it will show the file like this. So this is a custom PDF here. So it supports multiple pages inside the PDF document. So you can go to the individual page here. So you can see this contains 2 pages. So in this way you can navigate between different pages of the PDF document, and there are various controls as well. If you want to see full screen, you will see the full screen here. You can just toggle it here. You can see this is the name of the file, sample.pdf, and also we have a loading error box also. If you want to show a loading error, you can just show this message to the user if the PDF file hasn't been loaded. So this is a dialog box. You can see HTTP status 404 not found. So this is a custom title that it gives you, and if the file is correctly displayed, then it will show this file to you inside this PDF document. So let me just refresh it. So you can see, you can also zoom in here, zoom out, zoom in. So these are different controls, simple controls that are there inside any PDF viewer. And then we have fit to page as well, like this. And then you can also rotate the PDF document as well, counterclockwise, clockwise, that's it. And also it supports the download button as well. If you want to download the file, you can download it inside your local text editor. This is a download file button. You can also print the file as well. So if you want to print it, there is a print button as well. So various buttons are there inside this PDF viewer. And last but not least, you can also switch to 2-page view as well. So you can see, as you can just view 2 pages instantly inside this PDF viewer. So you can just toggle off like this. So next we have this if you click this button, download here of the PDF, it will open it in the new page if you want to see it. So these are the controls that I just wanted to show you. Very simple PDF viewer. And for building this, guys, I have given the full source code in the video description. We are using a simple library which is Sapui5. If you search on Google here, Sapui5, it's a it's a software here which supports PDF viewer. Just write this Sapui5 and you will be redirected to their website here. So this is the official website of the library, which is a PDF viewer. It supports multiple programming languages, but I am just showing you the simple JavaScript stuff here. You can also develop it in Angular, Vue.js, React.js. So basically this is the main library that it supports. You can more read about it, go to the documentation and read also. They have more tutorials and demo apps as well. So just click it and you will be able to read more about it. And now, in order to build this application, I have given the full source code of the in the video description. This is my blog post. So this is a step-by-step blog post. The link is there inside the video description. You can go to the video description, and this will be the single index.html file that you will need. Simply you need to copy to clipboard all the source code. So just go to the video description and download all the source code. This is the only file that you will need. Step-by-step instruction is given with screenshot. So you need to be having a text editor installed on your computer. I am using Visual Studio Code text editor. So here I will guide you step by step instruction in this video. So first of all, you need to make a index.html file. So just make it, and after that you need to control V, just copy paste this source code here. That's it, your application is complete. Now we can open this with live server. So it is opening here. So you will see now it will display this PDF document. If I press OK, you will see this is the PDF document it is displaying here. If you click this, it will open it inside new view. This is the actual URL of the PDF document. So you can also change the URL of the PDF document. There is a simple slight modification that you need to make here. So as you can see, we are using jQuery as well. So all the CDN are included here. So this is the path here. You can just change the path to any valid PDF document path. So here, this is a path. So let's suppose I search on Google sample PDF document. So you can see this is the PDF document that we need to display. Simply copy this link here and simply paste it. So now you can see we have replaced the link of the PDF file that we need to embed here like this. So now if I reload the application, you will see it will now display that PDF file instead of this. Just click OK and now you will see it is displaying this PDF file here in this PDF viewer. Very simple stuff. You just need to replace the URL here inside this valid path area here. So just replace the PDF document link. That's it. So this was the tutorial, guys, on how to make a simple PDF viewer using Sapui5 library that I shown you. The whole source code of the video will be there inside the video description. So we are using this library, which is Sapui5 PDF viewer with custom validation error messages in browser using vanilla JavaScript. So thanks very much for watching this video. And also check out my website freemediatools.com. This is a tool-based website which I developed in Node.js and Express. It contains 180 tools related to audio, image, and video. So please check out this website. The link is there inside video description, and also join the Facebook group. And I will be seeing you in the next tutorial.